everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to log out of your MacBook Pro. So let's get started. There are two different methods you can log out of your MacBook Pro. In today's video, we are going to discuss the Apple menu method. From the main home screen, go ahead and click on the Apple logo at the top left corner. In the pop-up, you will be able to see the button that says Logout Mac OS. Soon after you do that, you will then be able to log out of your MacBook Pro. You can also use the Control-Shift Command Q shortcut in order to log out of your MacBook Pro. Press and hold the Control, Shift, Command, and the Q keys at the same time, and a dialog box will appear asking you if you want to quit all open applications and log out. Confirm logging out, and you will be able to see that you've logged out of your MacBook Pro. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.